Alright, this is the third video and last one and for the review. And this one will go from 12 to the last problem. So 12 says, at an opening of an art gallery, the owner hired a caterer to serve light snacks. The owner created a budget for 150 people to attend. If the number of guests attending the opening was 54% more, so we know we're going to add something to that 150. How many would be attending the event? So we need to find out what 54% more is. So 150 times 0.54. So 0 times 4 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Move over. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 2 is 7. 0, 0, 11, carry the 1, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2. So 81 is the amount that we're adding. So at the event, there will now be 231, oh, that doesn't look right, 231 people attending. That's an increase of 54%. Number 13, remember that if you need to review on a problem, just rewind it or pause it. Miss Dunhus bought an iPad that is originally $350. That was on sale for 30% off. Well, don't forget the off. If the sales tax is 12%, what did Miss Dunhus pay for the iPad? So remember, we know we're going to take $350 and discount something. That's 30% off. So we're going to start there. $350 times 0.30. 0, 0, 0, 0, 15, 1, 9, and 1 is 10. So 0, 0, 5, 10, and we move it 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're going to discount it $105. So that's 10, because we got to borrow. So that becomes 5, 4, and 2. So now she's paying $245 for it. But there's a sales tax of 12%. So we know we're going to add something to it. We just need to find out how much we're going to add. So 245, we're going to add 12%. So let's find out what 12% of 245 is. Remember, 12% is 0.12. So this is 10, 8, 9, and 4. Move over. 5, 4, and 2. 14, 8, 9, and 2. We're going to move it 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're adding $29.40. So remember, this is 245. So 29.40. So 14.67. The final price that she's paying for this is $274.40 for this iPad that is 30% off with a 12% sales tax. Number 14. Again, a reminder as I'm about to do 14, please make sure that you go back and review these. You can pause it. Number 14. George earns an annual salary of $36,000. That's in a year. In addition, he earns 4% commission on sales that he makes. If George had $265,000 in sales last year, what was his total pay? So we want to find out how he makes in a year. So we know that he makes automatically $36,000, but we need to add the commission to it. So we need to know how much commission we're going to add. The commission comes out of the $265,000. So we multiply that by the 4%. So 0, 0, 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. And 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 1, 2. So he makes an extra $10,600 in commission. So $10,600 in commission means that at the end of the year, he makes $46,600. So $46,600 in that year. Remember, the commission is what you earn, so you find it, and if they want to know how much like that, then you add it back in. The last one, number 15. Last year, there were 480 students at Woodland Middle School. This year, the student population would increase by 5%. So we're thinking that we're adding because it says increase. What would be the school's increased population? So we got to find, we know we're going to take 480 and add something to it. So we got to find what 480 and find 5% of that population. Oh, that 5 doesn't look like a 5. Let's fix that. So 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 8, 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we know that we're increasing 24 students. So the new population is going to be 480 plus 24, which is 504. This concludes the last video. Again, make sure you go back to them and get the information you need and be ready for the test.